spray bottles at the dollar store and the shape was perfect. I wanted to make a vase like this, but not pay this, so I got to work. Didn't need the spray part, but I'll use that on a different bottle. Wanted to cut off the top twisty part, so I got out the box cutter, used all of my brute strength, and eventually it broke off. Buffed the whole thing with sandpaper so the paint I wanted would stick. Added a nice almond color base coat. Then I got to try out the thing I've been so excited to test out, this Stone Effect spray paint. This stuff gives you all the great texture you want with none of the weight, and it worked so well. And here's the finished product. Came out so great, and I think it looks so expensive. So this week at the dollar store, I scooped up these little nesting gift boxes and 2 sizes of popsicle sticks for my next flip. I took the middle sized box, moved the lid to the bottom. Here's where I decided to spray paint the base, which turned out to be kind of pointless and I could have just waited to the end, but yeah. Then it was time to chop the larger popsicle sticks down to fit and just hot glue them around the top. Next up was the smaller popsicle sticks. I glued those to every seam. Back to black, and we're done. Not bad for $3. And I was even able to make this 2-tiered stain version with the other boxes and sticks that you should get for your dorm room, Target Dollar Spot Edition. These adorable fairy lights have built-in clips, perfect for photos from home or cute Polaroids. There's a super cool wireless charging mouse pad, and this cute little chalkboard would be great to go on your door to leave messages with your hallmates. There's so much storage that would be great for organizing your desk area, and even these cheap shower caddies. This white noise machine is great to block out potential roommate snores, and check out these cute magnets to spice up your mini fridge. I saved the best for last. These technically aren't in the dollar section, but these dishes are only 50 cents each. They're plastic, dishwasher safe, and the cutest freaky colors. Run, don't walk, go get them. Dollar store had these napkin holders and this twine, and my brain said, make bookends. So I got to work. Just knot your string and start looping your twine around, making sure to keep the little string tail tucked in. Now looping, 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 looping all the way to the other side and tie it off, hiding the end back in the tubey thing. Do that on the other side as well. Duplicate it, and there you have it. Angle them to the front to show off cool covers, or to the side for a clean look. Follow for more.
Let's organize my kitchen on a budget. I went to my local Dollar Tree to get some organization goodies, and it was pretty successful. One of my main concerns is organizing this junk drawer that I have in the kitchen. I added 3 containers to separate my markers, highlighters, and pens, and I think that did the trick. And then I was getting tired of my produce sitting on the counter and the clips on the side of the fridge. This solved the problem, and I think it looks pretty great too. Then I found these glass containers that I thought were perfect for storing snacks. Then I just put some wire baskets down to store my snack bars. This proves that you can organize the space in your kitchen without spending a fortune. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.